Alright, unboxing of the Fallout 76 Power Armor Edition. That'll come off nice. Just picked it up a couple of days early. Super pumped. See what we got. The instructions for the helmet. Neato. It's like the game itself. The little figures. This would be the poster, I believe. Ta-da! Lex, you're gonna have to model it for us here. Can you grab it out of there? Neato Burrito. Damn. A little bit of styrofoam on it. Doesn't look like too much else in here. Oh. Fit with your bun even. Batteries here. Hey, whoa. I think you could take it out of the box so I can. And nothing else. Thought I'd double check. There you go. That's your Power Armor Edition for Fallout 76. Today is November 11th, so I got to pick it up pretty early. Pretty surprised at that. Pretty pumped for this guy. It looks pretty good. Diesel, think you can put it on?